Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to the networking series where we're using the socket module. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So where we left off last time was we used the con socket object. We split it from the accept. And like I was talking about, this is basically an extension of the socket, and we can use the same methods. So what you're going to see, the reason why I showed you that is because on the client side, we're going to continue using the s variable for the socket. So we're going to run dir on s, and we're going to look at recv. So help.s.recv. Receive. So method on the socket.socket, our socket object, receive the buffer size. So we'll talk about that in a minute. But this is on the remote end, the client. So haven't really talked about that. You have the local, which is the server, and the remote, that's the client, because it's not local. So all right. So it's s.recv. You actually type in the number of bytes. So how many bytes you're going to be receiving at one time. So we need to also make this a variable. So message, so just like so. So now let's get ready to print this out. So we're going to do an s string, and where did I have it? So let's just do incoming message, and then let's do a new line. Now I want to remind everyone that this is going to be a byte, and we know how to handle this. So we have message dot, since this is a byte, we use decode, and just like so, and we are done. So now, and we need our two command lines. So we bring that up and this up, and one, to remind you, one is for the server.py and the other is for the client. Let's make sure we got these visible, which we do not. So there we go, there's one. So server.py. Let's get this here. So this is sitting and waiting, just like a server does. It's sitting there patiently waiting. And then client.py. And it does help if you save everything. So let's run this for one last time. And here we go. Boom, incoming message, welcome to the server. So to remind you, that's what we were sending out with our con object, send all method. Welcome to the server. And then over here, we are receiving with our socket object. And then I'm just doing this right here so it comes out and prints out without the bytes. But there we go, everybody. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below, or make sure you're hitting the Discord server, because we have a lot of people over there involved answering questions if you're not quite sure what is happening here. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.